My dream life in 10 years. Hello, Miguel. This is Carlos speaking. How are you? Hello, teacher Carlos. I'm fine, thank you. It's good to hear you, Miguel. Today we will talk about your future. Where will you lie in 10 years? In 10 years, I will lie in the countryside. I will have a small farm and a nice country house. It will be more peaceful than the city. And what job will you have? I will have stable jobs. It will be better than my jobs now. I will also take care of my farm. What will your daily life be like? I will wake up early, enjoy nature, and do exercise every day. My life will be Keter and Heathers. What place will you visit? I will visit many places in Colombia. I mean travel to other countries too. What will you enjoy the most? I will enjoy the peace, my home, my animals, and joining exercise. And what thing won't you do? I won't lie in noise place. I won't stop working on my goals. Thank you, Miguel. Thank you, teacher Carlo.